Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a dress store and you're in the market for a website for your business, you're certainly in the right space. Keep watching this video because today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that on the Mighty Sites platform. Mighty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Now, the great thing about that free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Now, once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week as well. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, dress store. There it is over there. There's also obviously a dress and tuxedo rental service and a wedding dress rental service. But for this one, I'm going to be focusing on the dress store specifically. Awesome. Let's go ahead and put in a few basic details of our business so Mighty Sites can generate a simple website for our business. I'm going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region as well. And it doesn't matter where in the world your dress store is situated, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's change the type of business from restaurant to retail. Click on continue and let Mighty Site work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you want to display some of the beautiful dresses you have in stock at your store on your website. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do that, how to make some minor adjustments and edits to your Mighty Sites website. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a web developer. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself. So let's go ahead and click on the first section at the top and get cracking. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company email address over here. I want to make sure that box is ticked underneath to display my email address on my website. Let's check it out. There we go. Awesome. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number, and that is click to call, by the way. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop in my street address, my physical location. Now, the great thing about that address, when your website's live and your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps. Let's move on to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your website. Now, with Mighty Sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout your websites for you. If you want to change it, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. Let's move on. Now, for each section that you want to make amendments to, click on Update section underneath it and head over to Update Content. Over here, you can change the content to suit your business needs. Buttons can all link to various places, so go ahead and click on Choose Link. You can link to another website if need be. You can link to an action like click to call, directions, click to email. Otherwise, you can upload a PDF file, which is a great option to upload your current catalog or promotions and deals. For each section that has an image, click on Update Image. You can browse your device and upload one of your own. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Awesome. Now, here at the bottom is where you can put your trading hours in for your business so your customers know when you are open. Go ahead and click on Update Hours and pop them in to be displayed in the section over here. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on Connect Your Domain. You have the option to link your domain by clicking on I already have a domain. If you don't quite have a domain yet and you understand it makes your website look way more professional and you really want one, go ahead and click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in giving a little overview of how the Mighty Sites platform works. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, any questions or concerns, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.